How to fix or restrict certain activity on your Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the restrict problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is just open your Instagram, go to the settings of your profile, open the help option, go to the report a problem right here, click on report problem without shaking. Now here you have to send a gallery or a screenshot of the problem and then click next. And if after you send your screenshot or the problem photo, the Instagram support team will see it and they will answer you in the email. So you have to open your email after a few hours and see if you get any reply from the Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.